Yes, YouTube, what's going on? We are back. It's time to put another dream on another driveway. We're back with a Japanese classic today, Honda CG. I love them, you love them, everyone loves them. Let's just get straight to it. So, what are we working with? I think it's a 98 or 94 or something, quite an old CG. It has had a bit of a hard life, but we do have an all new everything. It is low mileage and it does run sweet. It's only on 12,000 miles, which for one of these is nothing. Air-cooled 4-stroke push-rod engine, they go forever, especially on 12,000. That really is low. So what have we got for it? We've got a new tank, new seat, we've got new air filter, new speedo, all new wiring, new lights, brand new set of tyres and tubes. We've got new wheel bearings as well. We'll be doing them. Little bit of play just in there, and the front one. So we just put fresh bearings on. We've got a new stainless exhaust to go on. Service the engine, all the usual jazz. So yeah, we're not going to hang around, we're just going to get straight to it. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Again, there is a giveaway at 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000 subs. It's completely free. You win a bike just like this when it's done. So yeah, share it around with your mates, put it on full screen, get comfy, and let's... that we're all welded up, but we're not today. So because we're fitting these bigger tyres and tubes, these much bigger tyres, they give it another inch off the floor. Have to take the centre stand off because it doesn't fit with the bigger tyres. Doing that, a normal CG side stand wouldn't fit. It fits, but it doesn't reach the floor because the bike's jacked up. Haven't got a side stand on this, so yeah, all the welding is done, all but the side stand, but we're going to be making one from scratch. So I think we're going to get the tyres and tubes on and fitted. That will give us the final height of the bike, and then we'll mock up a side stand and get that all welded and bolted on. You see that in a minute. I'll just show you all the bits that are welded up so far. So we've got this nice exhaust that sweeps down and this really nice stainless can, little silencer in the end. Seats all fitted, usual stuff, 4 mounts here, 2 at the front, tanks all bolted down on the rubbers at the front. Number plate brackets on, just down here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. They're pretty simple bikes, these. So the welding is all done except the side stand. So I think we're going to get the tyres and tubes on. These bad boys right here. We'll get the side stand done so it's sat on the floor. And then we'll make a start on the electrics. Well, I had my suspicions that it was a 6 volt when I bought it. This gives problems because the lights that I use, the nice ones at the front, the LEDs and stuff, are 12 volt, which won't work. So we're going to be doing a full 12 volt conversion. So inside here, running off the side of the crank, you have your charging system, which looks like this. This bolts on the side of the engine, and then you have your little flywheel here, which sits over the top and spins. There's magnets in here, and this little point here flicks past this. And when you're revving the engine up, obviously it's spinning, and that's what sends your spark to the engine. A 6 volt, they're wired in so the spark goes straight from here to the headlights and stuff, and the voltage increases with the revs because it's not regulated, which means you're blowing bulbs, and it's not good with a 12 volt light. It just doesn't work. So by doing this, we're putting this on, we're converting the entire bike to 12 volts. So it'll run through this, give power up to a regulator, and you get a constant feed of 12 volts. They run a lot sweeter. It will have a CDI now as well. Instead of running on points, it will have a tiny little computer chip that runs it. And it means future owners, they can put better lights on. There's much more lights available for a 12 volt. So yeah, we're going to be doing that. So I think now we're going to get the tyres and tubes done, get them on, get the side stand done so it's on the floor. And then yeah, full 12 volt conversion, do all the harness, get all the lights wired in, and then we'll paint it. So yeah, you won't hear from me until the end now, guys. Again, hit that. We've got the nice big tyres and tubes on there, exhaust all done, the wiring loom's all done. This nice tidy little harness here, runs front to back. 12 volt conversions all done, and it's all good. We've also got the kickstand that I mocked up here, very happy with that. Yeah, so we're ready for paint. I think I'll just chuck some fuel in it, fire it up quick, and then we'll get stripped down and paint it. Right then, guys and girls, we are going all black, and then the tank, gonna give that another rub down, and we're gonna do this a nice Arctic white. So yeah, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you at the end. Let's do this. We are back outside. Look at this old girl, from what we started with to what we got. Absolutely amazing. Tyres look pucker, tanks come up really nice finish on there. The seat, the exhaust, all of it, just a really nice classic bike. Let's fire it up quick. So there we are, one more dream going on to another driveway. Absolutely stunning bike. After what we started with, what I got now, 10 out of 10. So chuffed with it. Runs really nice, rides really nice. Proper nice little bike. Again, if you haven't, hit that subscribe button. There is a giveaway at 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000 subs. We're giving away a bike just like this or a cash prize. So yeah, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you at the next episode.